I have a Fitbit Versa 3 here, and I had an issue where it was stuck on this logo. I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, now this one's fixed, but I'm going to show you what I did to fix it. Okay, so let's pretend that that logo is stuck again. The only thing you have to do is with the side button here, you have to press. It has to vibrate. Press, feel it vibrate, and hold it. Do not let go. Okay, do not let go until you see the logo appear. It basically is going to turn black, and then it's going. You see the logo again, then you can let go. Okay. So let's pretend the logo is on here again. Side button right here, ready? Press, I just felt it vibrate and I'm holding. I'm not gonna let go, I'm still holding. Again, pretend I have that logo on there. We're waiting for the screen to turn black. Then once it's turned black, wait for the logo to appear again, then we can let go. I'm still holding here, turn black. I just felt it vibrate. I'm still holding, there's that logo. Go ahead and let go and it should boot up properly. Give it a second here. Okay, it should boot up soon. The thing is, if it, there it goes, it just vibrated and now my clock face is going to show. Okay, if it didn't work the first time, try 3 or 4 more times. Okay, remember, as soon as you hit this button, it has to vibrate. Okay, and then hold this, keep holding it. Okay, anyway, pretty simple.